everyone, we're making cupcakes. Hi everyone, we're making cupcakes today.
What kind of cupcakes are you making?
This one.
Funfetti. Alright, go ahead, tell everybody our ingredients we have here.
We have cake mix, we have oil, we have the paper clip, we have this,
That's icing.
we have food coloring, we have eggs, we have cherries, we have sprinkles, and what's this?
That's also icing with the sprinkles.
This is icing and this is the wigs.
Those go in the cupcake pan.
Yeah!
We'll get to that part. So, first off, gotta read the back, okay?
And we're gonna do a party today, guys. And
A dance party?
Yes.
Oh, the cake's baking, huh?
And we have
Yes. Mommy's gotta preheat the oven.
this. Yeah. We're going to cook it.
Yes, we're gonna bake it. Okay, first off, we need 1 cup of water. So where's our measuring cup?
Here it is.
Okay, let me get some water. You guys are gonna do all the ingredients up there, okay? Get 1 cup of water.
Can I pour it in?
Yes.
In here?
You and Jack are gonna take turns.
Into the red thing?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Alright. 1 cup of water. Probably should have put the cake mix in first, but that's okay. Well, hold on, you're gonna do the next one, Jack.
All of it?
Yep. 1 cup of water.
Now mine.
Now, it says we need 1/2 cup of oil.
I'll open it for you.
Hold on, not yet, buddy. You're gonna do that in a second. So where's the 1/2 cup on there?
Yeah.
Let me show you. There's 1/2 cup. 1/2 cup is right here. All right, Jack, go ahead, pour in 1/2 cup of oil. Good job. Now let's go ahead and add the cake mix. Jack, you want to take it out of the box?
And I will put it.
Yes. Can you get it open? Don't use your teeth, buddy. We'll get it. So you're getting it. Alright, Chloe's gonna put cake batter in. Go ahead, Chloe.
And I will help her. Wait. I know how to open it.
Here, one at a time. Let Chloe open it.
I opened it.
Oh, Jack's good. Alright, Chloe's gonna pour it in. Pouring it into your water and your oil. Open. Right.
Here we go. Mine's snowing.
Uh-oh. We're making a mess, huh? Alright, hold on. Don't grab for a second. Let me make the hole a little bit bigger. All in there. I'm gonna get it all out. There we go. Family effort. Alright, good job.
That's enough.
Why don't lick it off the counter? Stop. Get back. Jackson. Enough. Come on. Come on, we gotta finish the ingredients. But let me see your face, dude. Let me see your face right now. Okay. Next step. You need 3 whole eggs. Chloe, you gonna crack an egg?
Yes, I am. No, you don't know how to.
Jackson can crack one too. Hold on, let Chloe do one first. Crack an egg, don't get any shell in.
I'm gonna do it after.
Alright, hold it over top. one, Jackie will do one, and Mommy will do one.
Yeah.
All right, go wash your hands off. It's got eggy all over it. All right, ready? Here, I'm gonna help you. Ready? Take it right here. Hold on, hold on. Take it right here. Crack it. Hold on. Not hard. Jack, hold on. Okay, that's what I didn't want to happen.
Can I grab this?
No, don't touch it. Because I gotta wipe it up. That was a fail. We're gonna try again. Chloe, go get me one more egg. We're gonna redo that one.
Try this one.
That's just the shell, buddy. Let's try one more time with you. That one, yeah, you're gonna do that one. Just wait. I'm gonna help you though, so you don't smash it off the table. Let me help. Hold it. You gotta gently tap it. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Now over here. I'm gonna finish it for you. You don't want. All right, it's out. It's out. Put it in there. We're not doing a very good job with the eggs today.
But I did a very good job with mine.
Yes. Well, you just threw that one on the floor. Okay. We're gonna try again with the last egg.
Where?
You're making a mess.
We're not doing a very good job.
Mom's gonna do last egg, you guys,
Not for my chair.
in hopes that we don't have yet another mess. There we go.
There we go.
All 3 eggs are in. It took us 5,
Now
but we got 3 in there. All right,
Now we have the
here it comes.
mixing.
Yeah, now it's time to mix
Yes,
on medium speed. Jack, get up. We're gonna mix it up. Chloe, you're gonna go first and show Jack what to do. You gotta keep it in the bowl the whole time. Don't lift it up or it'll splatter everywhere.
Do we have to do
Chloe's gonna do it first, buddy, okay?
No, let
Chloe's
go,
gonna do it
let
first.
go. Do we have to press this?
No, don't press that button. Here, let Mommy show you first. So you hold it in here, turn it up, and you mix. Do that. All done mixing.
Now we can eat it.
No, we still gotta cook it.
We still gotta cook it.
Our next step, we need the cupcake pan.
Pan.
Sit down, hold on. I'm gonna hand them to you. And then you guys are gonna stick one in each spot, okay? Can you do that?
Yeah.
All right.
I need to push
See
these.
here. Jackie, yellow one. Can you put it down in the hole?
Can I have the pink one?
Okay, Chloe, a pink one. Good job.
Right here.
Here's a pink one. What other colors do we have in here? I see yellow. Hold on, no. Keep your hands back. I see white.
I'm too white.
Put your face away from the
I
cake
can't
batter.
see.
Jack, hold on, bud. And there's blue.
I want blue. I want white.
Go ahead, Jack. Put a white
You
one.
want blue.
Go ahead, get a blue one. Is that all the colors? I think so. And there's pink.
Can we get another one?
Yeah, go ahead. Put them in there, guys.
Another white.
There's some pink. Why are you putting all white? Let Jack do one. You just put the whole thing in. heck? Good job, guys.
We're missing 2 more. We're missing 4 more.
No, that's all there is. How many cupcake spots are there?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12.
Yeah, good job.
Jackson messed them all up.
It's all right. We fixed them. All right. Next, we gotta pour the cake batter in each one. Let me show you how to do it first, and then you guys can help, okay? Sit down for a minute, Jackie.
Done.
There's the first one. Watch Mommy make a mess.
I won't make a mess.
Oh, that one might be too full.
I don't make a mess.
All right, Chloe, your turn.
Then it will be my turn. Mommy, then it will be my turn.
Whoa, Chloe!
I did it.
That's gonna be a giant messed up cupcake.
Let me look it.
All right, guys.
We're back.
We're back. We're gonna try this again.
I
Without
messed up.
dumping it all over the whole cupcake tray, Chloe.
Yeah. And I made a giant cupcake.
Mom's gonna do this part. Do you see all the sprinkles in it?
Yeah.
It looks delicious. It smells good too.
Wait, let me smell it.
Okay.
Ew, touch my lip.
All right.
Ugh. Touch my lip.
Mom's gonna pour some.
It touched my lip.
Can you get your head back, Jackie, please?
Get your head back. Then we're going to do cupcakes.
We're gonna bake the cupcakes. We're gonna bake the
And
cupcakes
we're going to put them in the grill.
in the oven.
No, not in the grill, in the oven.
He meant the oven.
I meant the grill.
You want to grill them? You
Yeah.
never had grilled cupcakes before, Jack.
Me too.
These are gonna be so good, you guys.
Delicious.
Are you excited or what?
Yeah, I'm looking for more.
All right, you guys.
No, for this.
Here's the next step. Gotta put it in the oven.
I
Come on, Mom's gonna do that. No, Mom's gonna do this part. Putting it in the oven, okay?
I want to open it.
No, because it's hot. This part is for Mom's. Putting it in the oven. Get your fingers back. Everybody away. In the oven we go.
I can't see the hole. Right.
We're in there. And our box says bake for, it's gonna be about 20 minutes. We'll check it here in 15. In the meantime, we're gonna do a dance party. We've got about 15 to 20 minutes.
Look at Jackass. Alright guys, we're back.
We're gonna
Make the icing.
We're gonna make the icing different colors.
Yep. So we're gonna make some
3 different colors. Here, not
yes,
yet, Jackie.
I want all of the boy colors.
You're gonna get green, we're gonna do purple, and we're gonna do blue.
Alright guys, we're gonna do blue, purple, and green.
So I'm gonna split the icing up into 3 holes. So we can make 3 different colors.
Yes.
We have a ton of icing.
Now putting some in here. Is that the rest?
And I got another one. Right here.
Is it the same color?
Yes.
I
Sprinkles for later.
I love sprinkles and icing.
So you wanna lick it?
I don't know lick it.
Here, Jack. That one. Good. Alright. And here's how we do it. We're gonna use food coloring. You don't need a lot. You just need a drop. Hold on. You're gonna help me, okay? You need a tiny, tiny, teeny little bit. Let me show you. Here. 1 drop. Oh, that was a lot. Jack, you're gonna mix. Start mixing that up and see if that's enough green. Hold the bowl. Mix it all up. Don't get on your shirt.
Oh, you got it. Easy. Is food coloring good for you to eat?
It's just a little bit mixed in. And then once you mix it up, you can say if you want it darker or not. You want darker green?
Yeah.
Oh, there's still some down here. So I'm gonna put your blue in. You go ahead. Start mixing that up. Mom will mix the purple, okay?
Oh, I got some. Mommy, I'm dark blue.
You got green. You need some more green in there?
Yeah, I'm dark. I'm smashing it first. That looks pretty. Now
Mix it all up. See if Mom can get some.
wait, it looks like a oh, that looks cool. It looks like a poop emoji. It's turning purple.
Mix it up good.
I'm smashing mine first. Oh, it looks pretty.
Mix it all in. Mix all that food coloring in.
Look at that. Look
That
at
is
that.
so pretty.
Look at mine.
Yeah.
Look, mine is ugly.
Colors do we got here, guys?
We got blue. We got purple. We got green.
And
Oh,
green.
I tried to put it over and somebody.
Is it good?
Yeah. Some green got it on me. What was it?
This.
Can you do mine blue?
Alright, we have our icing colors all done. Blue, purple, green. We have them in the bags. Chloe, you want blue, right?
Yep.
Go ahead.
That's my color.
Start icing your cupcakes. Jack, you want green?
Yeah.
You know how to do it? Look, you guys squeeze it on. Oh, hold on, hold on. it on. Ooh, yeah. Squeeze it hard.
I missed some spots.
Squeeze hard, Jack.
Oh, it's all falling out on my hand.
Uh-oh. Hold on, Jackie. Go ahead. Keep. Yours is going to do the same thing. Stop.
Here. Oh.
Nice, Chloe. You're just...
Can I show you some?
Yeah.
Look, guys.
You... Everybody, all your cupcakes that you did.
Can I hold it on? I can see.
Okay, ton. Look at those delicious cupcakes.
Now can we eat
You
them?
are gonna eat one.
Yeah.
You guys did such a good job. Go ahead, pick whichever one you want. Just pick.
We need some cherries and sprinkles on.
We did forget the cherries and sprinkles.
They're right over there.
Here, go ahead, put it on here. We'll get them.
Oh, got on my face. It's tipping.
How could we forget the cherries and the sprinkles? Oh my goodness.
Can I put some in my hand?
Mom is losing her mind.
You're losing my mind.
Jackie, we gotta do sprinkles.
So put some sprinkles in. Don't touch.
Don't touch them.
I'm so near mine. Put sprinkles on them.
Almost forgot the sprinkles.
And the cherries.
Guys, just wash your hands, all the icing off your hands. I'll sprinkle some on there. Don't eat them. Don't put your fingers in your mouth. Just sprinkle them on. Don't touch the icing. Here, grab some.
Can I put my own cherry on?
Here, grab some, Jack. Grab some.
I don't need any.
There's a bunch of cupcakes. Here, put them on all that cookies.
Sprinkles, sprinkles.
Good job.
I'm putting the green one. There's no more.
Don't put some icing.
Can we eat the rest?
Alright, that is good. Now, cherries. Alright guys, who's
Oh,
ready?
it slipped off.
Who's ready to taste these delicious cupcakes? They look
Me.
really good.
Yeah.
You guys did such a good job. Alright, grab it. Let's bite in and see what it tastes like. Jack, try your cupcake, buddy. Not the cherry. Try some cake.
That's delicious.
How is it, Jack?
Look at my face. Look at my face.
Is it good?
I like that.
How is it? How's your cupcake?
Good.
Did you do a good job cooking it?
These are the best cupcakes ever. It's a little purple.
They are so pretty.
Oh, there's a lot of purple in it. It's the cherry juice. Look, I'm almost done.
All right, we're gonna feast on some cupcakes. Did you have fun making them?
Yep. Goodbye, guys. Bye, guys.